This is a Kawasaki er6n. Same thing as 650R Ninja. It's got a Jardine gp1 exhaust system on it. Different mirrors, bar ends, fender eliminator kit. Painted the belly pan and back fender. Has the reflective blue wheel tape on it. It's got green HIDs all the way through it, or LEDs. I have a switch that I put on it, and it's got blue and green HIDs up front as well. Crank it up, let you hear it. It's really loud. A lot of people don't like it, but I love loud. So yeah, I'm gonna get my I'm gonna get it to warm up just a little bit. Get my brother to rev it up real quick. And that's it.